sun goes down, I hit the town, feeling the rhythm, my body's like a crown. Caribbean women, they got that fire, shaking their hips, taking me higher. From Kingston to Montego Bay, the island vibes make my troubles melt away. Dancehall beats, bumping through the speakers. Caribbean women, they're the ultimate freakers. Caribbean women, they got that spice, dancing all night, feeling so nice. Island queens, turning heads when they walk. Caribbean women, you're the talk of the block. When the sun goes down, I hit the town, feeling the rhythm, my body's like a crown.
Ever wish your glasses could match your outfit without needing multiple pairs? With Pair Eyewear, you start with a base frame. I'm using the Curvy, and then snap on interchangeable top frames in seconds. Each top frame clicks right on magnetically, so you can go from everyday chic to sun ready in the snap. I styled 4 looks today using just one base pair of glasses, and swap the tops to match each outfit. It's time that you customize your glasses to match your personal style. No compromises. Use my code for 15% off your first pair frame. Fashion rule, glasses should never be an afterthought. Snap it, style it, slay it.
Outfit of the day, packing edition. I leave for Palm Springs in 2 days and I really need your help because we have themed dinners and I need to make sure that I look good, so let's get there. There's one night is the Great Gatsby night and the second night is a sunset soiree. Let me try them on for you and you tell me what you think. So this is the dress for the Great Gatsby night. This is probably one of the most beautiful dresses I've worn in a very long time. This is from Azazi and I am obsessed. I'm wearing the size 14. I think this is also a really beautiful dress for like a wedding. I honestly can't top this. I do have another black option that I could wear, but the option for the sunset soiree dinner is this dress from Meshki. I actually got this last year when I went to Europe and I never got the chance to wear it. So I'm busting it out and I'm bringing it with me to Palm Springs. I love this so much. I'm gonna pack a few extras just in case I get a little like, maybe I need to cover up. For you guys, everything behind the scenes this weekend is gonna be insane. Basically, like, I think there's 30 of us that's in the chat. I don't know if I'm totally wrong on that. And then we're all influencers and we do this for a living. It'll be like so much fun. The content is gonna be insane. So I just can't wait to really show you guys behind the scenes of I'm rambling and I need to finish packing and cleaning my house because I literally leave in 2 days. So I'm leaving for Vegas today, so let's get dressed. So I'm going there because my uncle's birthday, celebrating Vegas, and that makes me happy because I live in LA and my whole family lives in Florida. So this really cute bodysuit top, it's from H&M, and then actually these pants are also from H&M. I got them early, and then I'm gonna try adding some color in with my jewelry. These pieces are from Atika. Front has diamonds right there. So that is, I will link with these shoes. I got it. Alright, I will see you guys in Vegas. Bye.
Hey, y'all, if you love fierce fashion and curvy queens strutting their stuff, hit that subscribe button like it owes you money. We've got more curves than a country road and more style that your ex could handle. Don't just scroll. Stick around and join the best glam fam on the internet.